Biotechnology is an important technology that we should not be fearful about because it comes to address a very specific issue. And we shouldn't fear because technology always comes to help. And we are the people who are doing this work. And as I've said, I am doing this work for the benefit of my people. One thing that I would want to say is that every GM crop is produced to address a specific issue. If you wanted to improve the crop for yields, then you target improvement for yields. If you wanted to target the crops for diseases, then you target the crop to improve the resistance to diseases and the pests and all that. So every crop that has been, and then it goes through a process of evaluation. And as it goes through the process of evaluation, you pick up the variety that is giving you the results that you want. So the crops that are in the field, for example, if I talk about the cassava that we have developed is resistant to one specific disease, and we have evaluated it and seen it is resistant. So when you look at what you want to improve, the technology actually meets that need. In terms of safety, if there's a crop or there's a product that has been assessed to the highest level possible, it's actually genetically modified foods. We test them thoroughly from when we start in the laboratory. Even before we start in the laboratory, we test it by first of all looking at the literature.
We are in this forum today because we know we have seen technology and especially biotechnology being used to address many challenges in other sectors, in medicine, technology in transportation, in communication, but in agriculture, in other sectors, but in livestock sector, we have it has not been very well embraced. The main contributor for livestock feed is grain, and our national production of grains, especially maize, is very limited, and also soya is very limited, and the grains outside the world, for instance, corn, maize, 60% of maize around the world is GM, and in Kenya we are advocating that we can access GM maize from external markets because it will be easier access and it will help us spend less on importation.